But any issues, any safety issues?
I'm from Sweden.
From Sweden, okay.
Yeah.
But any issues,
Today,
any
we are
safety
crossing
issues?
the border from Eswatini into South Africa, and we met Bale and Gift, two South Africans who had come to ride in Eswatini, and now they were going back.
Yeah.
And we enjoyed a ride back together. They were really nice people. They helped us fix our 360. It had been broken. They gave us some glue that was able to hold it. You remember the crash in South Africa? Yeah. So they gave us this glue that was strong enough. It has some powder and it has been a savior. So we put it on the 360 and later I will be testing it to see how strong it is when it's dry.
Hello. Okay. We met some South African riders and they really helped us fix our 360 with some glue. And this was really nice. Bye!
On this path, it was so interesting. There was this sign that said, "Do not stop, high robbery area." So it looks like some criminals take advantage of the forest, and this place is a red alert. So we were trying to escape the area as fast as possible. Out of it, you just meet some small villages. Like, it's not a village per se, but it's like a township. People are living together, and I really admired how and liked how the cars were really nice on the road. People were always saying hello to us, and after a long time on the road, it's you and the bike. Just a small hello from someone on the other side makes you smile. And on this trip, I've been able to reflect on so much and appreciate so much, because you don't know what is ahead of you. And for real, we've only been surviving on the generosity of many people. Like here, we just met these South Africans who helped us fix our bikes. Like not our bike, our Insta 360. Now you can see it's working. You know, after the Lesotho incident, the part that was holding it to the bike was broken. But now,
Kenya, Zimbabwe now.
When do you leave that Kenya from Kenya to there?
7 weeks ago. Really? What? English?
Oh, buy another one and give me this one.
Which way? Okay, straight. Okay. Take care. South Africans are really awesome people. Really, I enjoyed my stay here. They are very lively. Great country. Just a few crime here and there, but you get used to it over time.
South Africa is one of the countries I have really enjoyed riding in. The mountains, they were calling. There's just something about the mountains and a winding road. Maybe it's the fact that it's dangerous. It stimulates something in you, it just triggers something. I don't know the right name for it, but South Africa really gave me a good adrenaline shot. The roads were scenic, winding, and so awesome to ride in. I would love to come and ride here in South Africa, but I would wish for a different kind of experience now. With what I have learned about South Africa, I will come more cautious and more prepared, expecting a robbery or something like that. But other than that, I will be coming back to South Africa as a rider one day, because these mountains, there's something else. Just look at this. Ain't they scenic? I'm going to miss this. You know, the more we ride north, the mountains disappear until we get to Tanzania. It starts to be mountainous, but they're different. From the look of things, we may not be able to cross into Zimbabwe today. We are going to sleep here in South Africa, but near the border in the Baobab region. And tomorrow we will be able to cross the border. But I'm enjoying this road. I'm loving every moment. On this trip, South Africa is one of those few countries that I have experienced so many tunnels, especially this one. It was so dark. It scared me for a minute. I felt like I cannot see what is ahead, but we managed through, and ahead there was another tunnel, and they were just all dark. It's good that most people here had lights on their motor vehicles. You know, country like Zambia, most vehicles did not have lights. So I'm thinking of how it can be for you on such a dark tunnel.
We need to pay again for the road. Sorry. When you see the baobab, you know you're in a very dry place.
It is the rain seasons here in South Africa. That is why you see so much green. Normally, this is a dry place. We can tell this through the number of baobab trees I can see. From my understanding, baobab trees grow in dry places, and this is one of those. I'm happy we are here during the rainy seasons, because you can imagine how the dry seasons can be hot. We are spending our night here, and Such a cute place, very cozy. This one costs around 750 rand.